We need that much.
Yeah, we have other plans.
Okay.
It's gonna be a shorter summer, so it came like, I feel like mid-June, the heat.
Get my hand. The angle got me all messed up. Now you. I like behind this. Thanks, Robin.
Sorry, am I being weird?
No. I was trying to film in Costco, and I was like trying to pick out the berries, and I was like, nobody's gonna see me. But then somebody's like, oh, are you filming? And I was like, and they're like, no, I don't. Yeah. Don't look at me.
That's when you freeze it.
Yeah.
You know the only place that it's normal to do that no one will say anything? LA.
Oh. I mean, they were like, oh no, don't stop. I was like, it's okay. It's okay, you got my shot. Yeah.
Looks back at it. It's not what I wanted.
Yeah.
You can just get used to that. But I wanna. Oh, okay. So if I like it, then I can. That is sort of. What would you call it?
Whoops.
If you're doing a full head, that's fine. But if you're going in for like, I just need to cover my grays, that's like that. Or like powder, and you just put it in here a little.
I was like 30.
And here's the thing, Mom. Oh, who's your lady?
She understood like what I wanted at least. A tiny sword got brought out. Oh look, we got a big bag of
I feel like I'm crooked. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Janine. Sorry, I haven't even said hello to you yet. yesterday was just kind of a whirlwind. I did a lot yesterday. I was trying to film like a weekend in my life, but I didn't really even talk to the camera yesterday. Yesterday I went on a quick bike ride, which was really fun, and I got to kind of see a little bit more about the neighborhood. And my battery's flashing now. Just talk really fast. I went for a bike ride, and then after that came home, and then my boyfriend and I went to Lowe's, and then I went to Costco, and I tried to film, and I couldn't. I'm still kind of getting used to this. I get that like vlogging and YouTube are a pretty common thing now, but I feel like most people kind of just vlog on their phone. But I really love my camera. I like to keep the two things separate. One, because I don't want to fill up my phone, and two, because I just much prefer filming on a camera. And after that, we went on a motorcycle ride, and that was really fun, and it just got me even more excited for my motorcycle class that's coming up this week now. I'm gonna be learning how to ride a motorcycle, guys. I'm just so excited about it, and of course, my parents and everybody else. Janine, it's dangerous. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm taking a motorcycle course, so that I can be safe. But like, what happens if you hit a truck? I will be taking this class so I can learn how to avoid trucks. Yeah, but I mean, is your protective gear even gonna protect you? Yes. No, I'm pumped. I've been an adrenaline junkie since I was young, and in my head, riding a motorcycle is gonna be like I can ride a roller coaster anytime I want. But of course, I'm going to be extremely safe. We are going to do everything that we can to make sure that my parents' daughter, Oliver's mom, my boyfriend's girlfriend, however it is that anybody wants to relate themselves to me, is going to be just fine. I promise. There is actually a study that shows that women motorcyclists are like 80% or 95% safer riders than males. So, I mean, come on. If you're not going to believe me, at least listen to the statistics. What I have in the cards for today, it's Sunday. I am still in my robe, but it's like 9:30. I am going to read a little bit more of my book. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. I am loving this so far. And so far meaning like the first 100 pages. SJM, Sarah J. Maas, always hooks me, so I'm not surprised. It's only book 2 of an 8-book series. I swear, if I don't do anything else today, I'll probably finish this. But we'll see. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and yeah, let's have a great weekend. Where are they? Where are you? Oh, Merry Christmas, Janine. Merry Christmas. Small change in plans. I know we said that we were going to go to the pool. We decided to go to the Santa Anita Mall instead. Dad, go. Yay. Fun noodles. Do you think the guy making noodles hates me right now? What is hiding?
I see the hat.
My dad said that I should be in the video. I think I want the stir fry noodles. Oh, and then you get to pick your style of noodle. What do you mean? Choose your noodles.
With the knife cut, they do the
Yeah, knife cut.
Wait, is this slash rice noodles? What does that mean?
I don't work here.
Oh, look at the noodle, let me feel it. And then I will get my noodle from the over here.
Okay. They're all spicy. Thank you. Thank you.
We did not go to the thing.
That's okay.
No, we went to Bloomington.
This is my big little sister. I know. Everybody thinks I'm the younger one. I can go with that. I love myself.
Is it good?
like it.
You get
Can you find inside it?
without.
Great. Is it the second?
The sauce at the bottom, yeah.
Mmm.
You done? Or-
Yeah.
Okay, that's really
It doesn't want to focus. Spicy. Okay.
all you have to do is look at me and they do it.
It's not spicy, Mama.
Okay.
Regular noodle.
Oh. It smells amazing.
It's really,
I think it
smells
has
like
this. Wow.
That's a lot of rice.
Also, why did I blow it?
It's cold.
That is some pretty cookie.
It's good.
Look how pretty
No,
it
that's
looks
hot.
on the viewfinder.
This is hot. Good.
Ah.
Did you not hear me and Dad say that they were?
It does. Stir fry flat noodle.
This is the knife that we
Oh, she got her shoes. Yeah. Oh my god, it smells freaking amazing.
Long bathtub's the best thing if you're not.
That's a bit much. Oh, Barbie. Barbie butter bar. I might get a massage bar.
What do you mean?
It like melts in your hand when you're massaging. I give Derek massages. I know, I'm nice. Well, oh, and it's in color. Oh, and look at, there's a ghost face one. Wow, happy Diwali. This one, magic cow.
We used to get this in a long
That one, Sleepy Bear. What is that?
It was really nice. Like I was like really like late night anxiety and stuff.
Oh, and there's a dragon. One of the wagon. No, snow dragon.
Oh.
It's the genie one. Cute. Now let me see your hand when you put it down.
Ready?
Who's in there? Oh, wow.
That's pretty cool.
Amazing.
Ready, set.
Yeah, I thought it did.
Oh my god, it looks like some sweet tarts inside.
That's so cute.
Fairy lights, no fairy lights.
I don't like the way it smells, but not for me. She said you go. Ah! Sorry. Ah.
Oh. That's beautiful.
Yeah. Have you seen the one that looks like an octopus? Yeah, you spill it out. Put your hand out.
No, I can't. Oh my god, no, I can't. I really can't. I can't. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at that one's a fresh one. Look at that one.
This one?
Yeah. Don't open it, obviously, but like you can see the octopus inside.
Hold on. Find it in there.
I mean, it's cool, but not.
You can't. Oh my god.
I bet all of us love that. Touch it. What are you gonna dry your hands with now?
Give me your hat.
No.
It's gotta be like 66 degrees.
Oh, it's not the same borders. It's a different kind of borders. You guys.
Let's see if they've got books.
I thought it was the book board. Hi, thank you.
I'm joking. Let's go. Oh my god.
What?
Excited. Here you go.
What about? I don't know who they are.
So they all have a little camera here.
So this is an entire BTS store? Oh my god.
Have you see like these little like chibis? They're all in reference to BTS.
Oh. I'm learning, you guys. I'm here to learn.
I don't know who I should get for my third one though.
Can I choose?
Yes.
I like that one. Who's that? A good one? Okay. Or this chipmunk looks cute too.
That's cute. I don't know who that is though. I like this whole row down here. I
Yeah.
have no idea.
Yeah, who's this? A good one? I like it. It looks like a fart.
Having a stroke.
Yeah. Jesus. It's amazing. Oh, I like the name. The letters. I like it. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at that. No G's. Yeah. Ah! They have the Christmas versions now. I've been looking at this glass for a long time, and I think today's gonna be the day. I've been wanting to do it. I know. So, it's okay, thank you. No, it's okay, thank you. No, it's okay, thank you. For Christmas, I like this one. For Christmas.
Okay. I can get it for you now.
But then what am I gonna open? Christmas. Okay. I'll see you at Christmas. That is super cute.
I could actually make this my travel case.